Renegades are down 6-0. The Wolfpack was relentless. Their pitcher, untouchable. Strikeout after strikeout. It felt like the end. But then something happened. One hit, then another. The Renegades started fighting back. With fire in their eyes, they battled. They believed. And just when no one thought it was possible,